loves, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are here. Today we are talking all about Walmart workwear. Now don't click off the video just yet if you don't have a job that requires you to get dressed. I don't have a traditional job, but all of these items I have been living in and I love them. I pick up some amazing pieces. You can mix and match them. You can wear it to the office, or you can wear it if you're a teacher or you have a job that just requires you to be a little more dressed up. These items are great and they're super versatile. They can all be mix and match. They're great for the upcoming season. You can pair with other things that are in your closet. So I'm really excited to share with you guys. Now, let's go ahead and jump in. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna start with the outfit I am wearing. Entire look is from Walmart, except my shoes and my belt. This top and shoe top I pick up. I absolutely love this top. It's lightweight, it's feminine, it's professional, but it's still really fun. I love the ruffle detailing on there. I love the little hint of blue. You can dress this up with slip skirts, satin skirts. You can wear it with dress pants. You can style it with jeans like I'm doing here. For more of a casual or business casual professional setting, I think this outfit works. Even for teachers, you can wear it with a pair of flats. I'm wearing it with kitten heels. These heels are really comfortable. This is a great work outfit. That's if you're allowed to wear jeans in your workplace. Even like my girlfriend is a realtor, good outfit for like showing homes or going to closing. The pair of jeans that I'm wearing, I picked this up also from Walmart. I love a good pair of barrel jeans. This is a great way to introduce current fashion trend into your work wardrobe or into your regular wardrobe without feeling overwhelmed by it. This barrel jeans by Scoop is perfect. It is not too barrel. I don't know if that's the right word, but it's not too wide. It doesn't feel over exaggerated. It's very subtle, so I love that. Pair with this Scoop top, I think it's just such a perfect match. What I did was I just added a belt. This belt I actually got from Chico's, I want to say last year, but you can find belts from Walmart, you can find belts from other places, but I do like mixing a little bit of low with a little bit of high. So this outfit is super affordable, but my belt and my shoes are, you know, a little more pricey, so you can definitely mix and match with your accessory. Let's move on to the next item I have from Walmart. I picked up this cardigan from Free Assembly, and I love this because cardigans are such great essential for spring. They make really good layering piece. You can even put this cardigan on top of this look and wear it. You can style it with jeans by itself. You can layer it over your dresses. You can wear a button-up shirt under. I love the gold detailing on there. I love the texture. It looks expensive than it actually is. It's such a gorgeous cardigan. I'm gonna bring it up close so you guys can see. I know my light is a little bright, but I love the gold detail on there. I did get it in a size medium because I wanted more of a oversized fit so I can wear it open with like tank tops and stuff under it in the spring. But you can get your regular size depending on the look that you are going for. You guys should see me style in multiple ways with some of the items that I pick up from Walmart. You can wear it with this jeans, like I stated before, for a casual Friday look. Great quality. I'm super impressed. I do wish they would have made the buttons a little bit tighter. I feel like it's a bit loose and it feels like it's gonna fall off, but that's something that you can easily tighten up. This is such a great piece. I've already worn it, so I have a little bit of makeup on here. A great piece that you can style this with is this leopard print satin skirt that I also pick up from Time and Tru. This is one of the best seller. I love a good slip satin skirts, and I like this one because they have elastic in the waist. Leopard print is such a timeless, a neutral. I consider it to be a neutral, but it's a great way to make a statement. You can wear this in the spring, you can wear this in the fall, you can wear it in the summer. It's super versatile. Wear it with flats, wear it with heels. You can pair it with this cardigan for a professional look or a easy, you know, just running around look. I like this a lot. Add a belt and you're good to go. This slip skirt is one of the best seller. I got it in a size small. It does run a little big, so I should have opted for a extra small. Now the fabric is not really heavy, so if it's cold where you are, you can definitely wear like some type of leggings or tights under them. But I can't rave about satin skirts enough. They're just such a great staple to have in your closet. So I went ahead and picked up the satin skirt in this gorgeous blue. Is this blue or turquoise color, and I love it. It just gives you more of that spring feel. And I like the fact that you can easily style this skirt with the top that I have on. I think that's going to be such a great outfit. The skirt does have elastic in the waist. It does run big, so I would suggest that you size down, or you could just belt it. One of Walmart bestseller, and I don't think it's that much. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was like $12 or $15, but I'll have the price on the screen. Gorgeous color for the spring. You can style it with this top. You can style it with that cardigan that I show you, or I pick up this gorgeous sweater from Scoop with puff sleeve. This color combo is so perfect for spring if you want to add a little color to your wardrobe. I love the way the sweater is. The quality on this is so amazing. I got it in a size small. I love that it has that puff sleeve detail. Again, you can wear this sweater with this jeans that I have on. That's a great outfit. You can pair it with this skirt. And you definitely can't go wrong with that. This is such a great quality sweater. If it's still cold, I know spring is coming, but it's still gonna be chilly. Or if it's cold in the office, it's a gorgeous sweater to have. It's a really pretty color, and it just makes me feel like spring is almost here. I did went ahead and pick up another sweater from Scoop. This gorgeous cable knit pink sweater. It's so pretty. It gives me all of that spring feel, and this is something that I can wear now in the winter, and I can also wear in the spring. But I just figure pairing this sweater with this skirt is such a gorgeous combination. I'm gonna try it on so you guys can see here. But the quality of this sweater is so good. It does run oversized, so if you don't want more of an oversized fit, I would definitely suggest you size down. I should have sized down because it's pretty big, but I love the color. I might exchange it and get an extra small. I love the cable knit detailing on there. You can wear it with this skirt. If you're brave enough, you can wear it with the leopard print, but I probably won't do that. You can style it with these jeans. You can wear it with cream. You can wear it with tan. It's just really a great spring sweater to have in your closet, and I'm really impressed with the quality. Let's move on. Another item that I pick up from Scoop is this barrel sleeve blazer. I know we're loving barrel jeans, barrel pants, all things barrel, but I saw this barrel sleeve blazer and it's just so gorgeous. It's the perfect way to add a little bit of statement to your workwear. You can pair it with this jeans. I have it in a size small. You can wear it with this jeans. You can also wear it with this leopard print skirt. You can wear it with a pair of trousers that you may have in your closet. It is such a great staple, and I just love the way it cinches in your waist. Definitely a good piece to have in your work wardrobe. But like I said, if you don't have to work, you don't have a job that requires you to get dressed, this is still a great piece to have in your wardrobe because you can wear this to like date nights. You can wear this to go out for drinks. You can dress it up. You can dress it down. I really love the fit and feel of it. It's very sexy. And you can't go wrong with this. We want pieces in our closet that we can wear for multiple occasions. You don't want your workwear to just be things that you can wear to work, and then if you have to go to dinner or somewhere else, you don't have anything else to wear. So this blazer is the perfect all-around blazer that works for almost every occasion. You can also style it with a belt. You can add a belt to kind of like cinch in your waist. I'm gonna try to do multiple styling options on the screen so you guys can see, but I am really impressed with the quality on this blazer. It is fully lined, and she is just gorgeous. I am loving everything Walmart is doing. Last year and this year, they've really been on top of it with the quality. And they've been very on trend with everything that's going on in the fashion space, and I really love that. The next two items I have here are for my ladies who work from home and want to be cozy and casual. I pick up this brown V-neck sweater from Time and True. I got it in a size small because you can never go wrong with a good brown sweater. I know we're talking about spring, but we can still wear our browns. I love this sweater because you can style it with that leopard print skirt that I showed you guys earlier. I think that's a great look. You can wear it now in winter. You can wear it in spring, and you can still wear it in the fall. Not in the summer because it's a little bit warm, but I like this because, again, you can pair it with almost anything that you have in your closet. We definitely want to have things that work well together. We don't want to have a bunch of things that we have to struggle with what we're going to wear. You can wear it with this jeans that I have on. Easily, instantly, you look good. I pick up this pair of pants. For my ladies who work from home and my ladies who love a good comfy look, it is by Time and True, and I got it in a size small. I really wish I would have did an extra small because it's a little bit loose, but that's fine. This pants is so comfortable. It feels like you have nothing on, and that's why I suggested it for my ladies who work from home. But if you have to go into the office, this can work as well. If you're a teacher, this can work. It's super comfortable. It has elastic in the waist. If you're going for a monochrome look, you can style it with this sweater, but you can also wear it with that black blazer. You can wear it with the cardigan. You can wear it with the, I was gonna say the pink sweater, but depends if you want to go for like a blue and if you want to go for a pink and brown look. I'm not sure how that's gonna look, but this is such a great pair of pants. It's super comfortable. It's versatile. You can wear it summer, spring, winter. It's not too heavy that you can't wear it in the summertime. So definitely love this. I'm gonna go ahead and link the pants that the 2 pair of pants that I ordered that got canceled, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. Also, I have a Walmart Storefront. I'm part of the Walmart Creators Program. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list all of my items on one page that I think will make great workwear that are super affordable in case the items you saw on here, you're loving them, but you're like, Marlene, I need more. I'm gonna put some of my favorite on there and I'll put the direct link. Once you click on it, it's gonna take you to the page and you'll see all of my favorite for workwear, or you know, some of my favorite for Walmart. I do have like spring items on there. I have accessories. I'm working on building it up. So let me know if you guys are interested for me to share more of my Walmart creator picks. Unfortunately, those are all of the items I have for you guys, but I'm trying to keep the videos not too long, but I want the items to be things that you guys can actually wear and get your money's worth. Let me know if you guys enjoy the shorter hauls. I should have a lot more styling options, even though there are fewer pieces. I honestly love everything that I purchased. I will go ahead and link some accessories as well because I found some really good accessories on the site that I like. Shoes, bags, jewelry, belts. So if those are things that you're interested in, everything linked below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Let me know the type of video you want to see from me, if we should keep this Walmart video series going. Last video, if you didn't watch it, I did cozy at home outfits. We're doing workwear. I got to figure out what we're going to do next. I'm taking suggestions in the comments. All right. I know I like to talk a lot. Let's wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. Follow me on IG if you're not following me already, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.